Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this bob long middle part. Y'all, this hair is like seriously the bomb. Look at the luster in this hair. Like, look how healthy it looks. Look at the flow. It's a nice even cut bob. So this hair was sent to me by RXY Hair. Now I see some lashes as well as like elastic band. And as you can see here, the hairline has been pre-plucked, but not too much. I did go in and bleach the knots, and you have so much parting space, which is why I love this wig. Like, I had to do a middle part with how much parting space it was. So this is how the hair looks like straight out of the package. It doesn't look too bad. You will have to, like, you know, put some heat onto it. And I did bleach my knots. So, but I hadn't bleached my knots right here, and you can't even tell, but I like to bleach my knots to make sure I have like a really flawless install. So here I'm just showing you guys the construction of the wig, how it looks. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing my hair back to back. So I said I was gonna do 3 wigs. So this is my second one, and the last one I will actually be wearing to go out. So I'm going to take my lace tint and just spray it in the front. This I just started doing, and it is bomb. So I'm just going to spray it on from the outside, but it's going to be on my skin. You don't want to spray too much, because if you spray too much, it'll end up being too dark. And then I'll just blow dry it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig, and this is what it's looking like after I have tint my lace. Like, I never knew how important it was to tint your lace. Like, I cannot put on a wig without using that lace tint, because it is just the bomb. And now, since I just started putting it on the edge and not like the full wig, because I go back and add concealer to it anyway, it has been like bomb, y'all. Like, so bomb. So I'm just combing out the wig here, and yeah, old dusty cornrows, and my wig was so far up, y'all. Like, look at where the makeup is stopping. Like, that's how far I probably have my wigs. But yeah, so I'm just using some got to be glued gel this time, because like I said, I'm swapping my wigs out. So I'm just going to use some got to be glued gel. So if you don't want to use adhesive, or you're afraid about your edges coming out, or you're new to wigs, you can definitely use the got to be glued gel, or you can use the freeze spray. I think I like the gel better, even though it takes longer to dry. The freeze spray dries like really fast, and the gel doesn't. And here, when I'm putting on my wig, I did bring it all the way up to where my makeup was, but I should have thought about it, because the last wig I had on, I had like baby hair, so the wig wasn't as far up because of the baby hair. So yeah, that's the only thing about that. I think I pulled it up like a little too far. So I'm just applying the wig, and it's not going to like completely stick. So you just have to be careful, and then go ahead and add like a hair tie, so that it can like actually mold and melt down to give you that flawless look. So I'm just going in and flat iron my hair really quick, and I'm in love with this Bio Silk. If you've been watching my last couple videos, go get this. Y'all, I've been doing like all of Erica J little hacks, whatever. I've been doing them, and they have really been paying off. Like that Bio Silk bomb, the lace tint bomb. Go and get it. So like, if you've been struggling with your frontals, go try those two. You won't be disappointed. And go follow Erica J, because that girl is smart, and she can really do some hair. So like I said, I'm just going through and flat ironing my hair, and then I'm just going to take a hot comb to it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so after you hot comb it and get everything nice and sleek, I'm just taking some powder foundation and going across my part. That's really because I didn't do like the ball cap method because I was taking the wig off right after this. But y'all, this hair was really, really nice. Look at that long part. Like, it's just giving me some nice Kim K vibes. It looked good. I was really struggling because I was going to keep on this wig, but I wanted to wear this short wig out, so that's why I switched it. But y'all definitely click the link down below so you can check out this hair because it is really nice and it's actually affordable. So I love you guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Bye.